Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your Chromebook can run the game and accept custom inputs. First, confirm Play Store or Linux mode is enabled if needed, then open keyboard settings and locate key remap options. Install a reputable key mapping app or extension now so you can assign game controls. This step matters because many Chromebook titles assume touch. Once installed, create a simple profile mapping WASD, space, and shift to movement and actions so the game recognizes physical keys immediately. Now configure the controls inside the game and the Chromebook simultaneously. Open the game's controls menu and bind movement, camera, and action keys to the mappings you prepared. This alignment prevents duplicate inputs. Test each binding in a non-critical area, walk, jump, and aim, so you can fine-tune sensitivity and key repeat rates. Make sure Chromebook shortcuts like search or control combinations won't conflict. If they do, remap or disable them so your inputs register smoothly without invoking the OS during. Finish by optimizing performance and securing your control setup. Close background tabs and set power to performance mode so input latency drops, and update the Chromebook and game for compatibility. Save and export your key profile so you can restore it quickly. If keys stop responding, reboot the device first, then reopen the mapper and reapply the profile. Testing an external USB keyboard isolates hardware issues. Finally, make incremental changes and retest after each tweak to ensure stability before competitive play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.